Greetings to all. I am Srinisha of Class 8E from Kendriyavidyalaya and Grounds channel. Sports is friendship. Sports is health. Sports is education. Sports is life. Sports brings the world together. It is quite evident that India has a potential athletes who prove their knit and grit on several occasions. We all are familiar with the journey of the flying Sikh Milkha Singh and Payoli Express P.T. Usha, who bagged numerous medals at national as well as continental stages. But do you know the lady who scripted history by bagging India's first medal at the World's Athletic Championship? Who is none other than Miss Anju George. And here we have her amazing story that has become legend and moreover an inspirational for future athletes. Anju George is a retired Indian athlete. She is the first Indian and only world champion in the IAAF World Athletics final. Anju George made history when she won the bronze medal in long jump at 2003 World Championship in Athletics held in Paris. With this achievement, she became the first Indian athlete ever to win a medal in World's Championship in Athletics, jumping 6.70 meter. She went on to get a gold medal in the IAAF World Athletics Final, a competition between best 8 athletes in the world based on the world ranking, in 2005, a performance she considered her best. Anju George's early life. Anju was born on 19th April 1977 in Kottayam, Kerala, to Katie Marcos and Gracie Marcos into a Christian family. She has a brother named Ajit Marcos. Anju means blessing of the mighty. Her strength was soon recognized by Mr. Marcos, who put every effort to polish her talent. She was initiated into athletics by her father, and her interest was further developed by her trainer in Korutodu school. Her trainer, Mr. Thomas, in school further fueled her interest in athletics. She did her schooling in CKM Korutodu school and graduated from Vimala College. In the school athletic meet in 1991-1992, she won the 100-meter hurdles and relay and stood second in long jump and high jump events, thus becoming the women's champion in all 4 disciplines at various school events. Anju's talent was noticed in the National School Games, where she won 3rd place in 100-meter hurdles and 4 into 100-meter relay. Anju married to Robert George, who is a former national champion in triple jump and her coach too. The couple have a son Aaron and a daughter Andrea. Professional career. Although Anju initiated her athletic career as a heptathlete, but soon switched to long jump after releasing her strength in the particular discipline and went on to win a medal at the Delhi Junior Asian Championship of 1996. Within 3 years, the girl cemented her place in the hearts of sports lovers and set a national record in triple jump with a dynamic performance at the Bangalore Federation Cup, held in 1999. The same year, she bagged a silver medal in the South Asian Federation Games, held in Nepal. In 2001, Anju competed the national circuit meet held in Trivandrum, where she bettered her own record to 6.74 meter and also bagged gold medals in the triple jump and long jump in the Ludhiana National Games. The year 2002 brought a big stage to Anju, the Commonwealth Games, where she earned a bronze medal clearing 6.49 meter in long jump and also bagged a gold medal at the Asian Games. The Government of India honored Anju for her phenomenal career chart in athletics. In 2003, Anju bagged India's first medal at the World Championship in Athletics and scripted history. The same year, she also bagged a gold medal in the Afro-Asian Games. Where other athletes were gathering compliments and looking for lucrative offers, Anju forced on big stages. The following year, she spotted the 5th position in the Olympic Games, uplifting her personal best to 6.83 meters, which is the national record yet to surpass. Anju once again proved her knack by clutching a gold medal at the 16th Asian Athletics Champion with a leap of 6.65 meter, and also won a gold medal at the IAAF World Athletics Final with a leap of 6.75 meter. In 2007, she spotted the 2nd position in her discipline at the 5th Asian Games, and the next year added another silver with her invisible performance at the Asian Athletics Championship with a jump of 6.65 meter, qualifying for Osaka World Championship where she finished 9th. The year 2008 began by adding a silver medal to her accolades through her vivacious jump of 6.38 meter at the 3rd Asian Indoor Championship in Athletics held in Doha. She improved this record with her victorious performance at the 3rd South Asian Athletics Championship, where she leapt 6.50 meter. Ups and downs. Anju's impressive stats has always revealed her love for athletics, but a legend never completes without failure. In fact, every successful story has some moments of failure, and Anju too faced such phases in her career when she failed to earn a single medal in the Athens Olympic and in Beijing Olympics, where her all 3 attempts were declared as foul. But Anju gave her all credits for her strong will and supported her better half, Mr. Robert Bobby George, who himself is national level triple jumper, has always stood a strong pillar by holding Anju's potential and played the great role of her coach very well and giving up his career in 1998. Awards and achievements. In 1999, she set the national record for triple jump in the Bangalore Federation Cup. She improved on her own record in the national circuit meet at Trivandrum. She won the gold medal in the triple jump and long jump in the Ludhiana and Hyderabad National Games. She won the gold medal at the Asian Games in Busan, South Korea. She was entitled as the Sportswoman of the Year in 2004 and 2005 in the Hero Sports Academic Awards. She was Best Out with the Jimmy George Award in 2004. As we saw, she won a bronze medal in long jump at the IAAF World Championship of 2003 held in Paris and became the first Indian athlete ever to win a medal in a World Championship in athletics with a jump of 6.70 meter. She won a bronze medal at the Commonwealth Games of 2002 held in Manchester. She bagged a gold medal in long jump at the Asian Games of 2002 and earned a silver medal in 2006. Anju Bobby George was a recipient of the prestigious Arjuna Award in 2002-2003. She was also awarded the country's highest sporting honor, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2003-2004. Anju Bobby George was awarded the Padma Shri in 2004. She bagged a gold medal at the IAAF World Athletics Final in 2005. As flag bearer, Anju Bobby George led The delegation from India has they walked during the Parade of Nations, part of the opening ceremony for the Athens 2004 Summer Olympic Games on August 13, 2004 at the Sports Complex Olympic Stadium in Athens, Greece. Persistence can change failure into extraordinary achievements. Let us take the life of Anju George as an inspiration, set our goals high, and don't stop until we get there. Wish you good luck. Thank you.